Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport. Stock reference number 4839. This shape runs from the second month 2017 and is the current shape. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder bi-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. 2.2 litre SH 4-cylinder bi-turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, LED type, tidy rear park sensor type bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, both LED, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav display head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.